This is our home, and I will not see it fall apart.
Fall apart. Definition: to break into pieces or stop working properly. This old chair falls apart easily.
You can't let your whole life fall apart over some dog.
But we can't afford to fall apart.
This is our home, and I will not see it fall apart.
And then along comes time travel, and the whole world starts to fall apart until the only woman you ever loved gets taken away.
We fall apart like we ain't a damn bit of nothing, man.
Fall behind. Definition: to fail to keep up with others or with work. If I do not study daily, I fall behind in class.
You fall behind, you're gonna get hit by the leader.
And you cannot, I repeat, cannot let production fall behind, not one little bit.
Are you sure it didn't fall behind the bureau?
You fall behind and you're on your own.
Don't fall behind.
Fall down.
Definition: to drop to the ground. Be careful or you fall down.
But even the strongest people fall down sometimes.
You're the guys at the beginning of Saving Private Ryan who make the moms fall down.
Did you fall down and smack your little head on the pavement?
Whole damn house will fall down someday, I swear it will.
He did fall down a well.
Fall 4. Definition 1: to be tricked. Definition 2: to start to love someone. I never fall for online scams.
Dracula's too slick to fall for the usual stuff.
Don't fall for that crap.
She's not one of those dumb skanks that would fall for Carl's come-ons. You afraid James might grow tired of your wannabe black girl routine and fall for something real like me?
Don't fall for his bullshit.
Fall off. Definition: to drop from a higher place.
The book falls off the table.
And often I'm afraid I'll fall off of it.
You didn't fall off the stage again.
I mean, some of them, their assholes literally fall off.
You just don't fall off and don't get eaten.
I'm talking, hold on to the grass so you don't fall off the earth hammered.
Full out. Definition: to have an argument and stop being friendly. Friends sometimes fall out over small things.
When you fall out of love with someone and then you have a choice whether to stay or to go because...
Do you think you can be in love?
He went from Fall Out Boy.
About to fall out.
But seriously, I'm worried I'm gonna fall out of my turns during the show.
Fall over. Definition: to lose balance and drop to the ground. I fall over because the floor is wet.
The richer, whiter, and more famous, the more they fawn over him.
I would probably fall over.
Don't fall over!
You'll fall over them.
Fall through. Definition: to fail or not happen as planned. The plan fall through at the last moment.
I'm confident the deal will fall through.
I'm not going to watch our children fall through the cracks of this arrangement.
But look at the cracks between these particles and the cracks we fall through, the holes of nothingness.
And it won't be easy watching them fall through your hands.
I need you to be sure that things don't fall through the cracks.
Fall back on. Definition: to depend on something when needed. I fall back on my skills in difficult times.
Fall back on the elbow, sir. And the Arab Rising becomes one poor unit in the British Army.
You want me to fall back on the elbow?
Did he ever fall back on a run?
This is not the time for you to fall back on journalistic integrity.
Something to fall back on other than your ass?